tayong pasok.
Kailangan mo diba?
Dalawa lang sila. Wala tayong pasok. Apat lang tayo niyan. Asan na yung iba? Sabi mo nasan na sila. Wait lang ha. Wait lang. Uulan ata. Thank you. Makulimlem. Magre-ready na ako kasi malapit na yung stop namin. Ingat, Era. Hi, Ate Juliet. Thank you po. Kayo. Ingat po, Era. Hi, Jaya. Thank you, bro. Bocopter. Tignan ko mamaya sa news. Pag nasa laptop ako. Yung katabig talaga namin. Yung ingay niya. Tignan yung talaga. Silang kakapo. Na? Hi, Jack. Hindi kakapo yan. Car Spaniel yan. Lagda naman ba ako? Ingay niya magtap-tap. Ba't ko laga? Are you a model? No. Hindi. May tanungin mo ilan na sila dun? Bakit ang konti natin? After 2 weeks, hindi na pumasok yung iba. Ito kay Inay. Dancer po siya. Hindi totoo yan, yung dancer. Dancer pag gusto lang. Pag na-trip lang. Hey. Lag pa din. Wala. Lag pa din. Hindi na ba?
Mulitan. Kung limata, mulitan.
Paano tayo papasok? 5 lang tayo. Magpapesto ako sa dulo talaga. Kanya-kanya tayo ng ano. Donde res muy bien. Kanya-kanya tayo ng sitting arrangement. Ang konti natin. Ano nangyari sa iba? Bakit dito pumasok? Ilan subject mo? 3. Ingat po. Thank you. 3. Digital marketing, entrepreneur enterprise, personal development ata yung isa. Hindi ko alam mo na yung isa. development na all na de-develop. Ang dami niya pa din nanonood. Anong ginagawa niya?
We will shortly be arriving at Leeds, where we finish our journey today.
Oo, alam niya na saan pupunta.
Please make sure you take all your personal belongings with you.
Bumerang.
Thank you for traveling with
Bitin. Hindi na kaya. Ready ka na, May. Tara.
Wala po, kakaana po.
Pa. Okay na ulit. Sana ulit. Sana okay na ulit. Hey, Olivia. Hi, Prem. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sama kami sa school. Go. Konti lang kami daw ngayon. 4 lang. Saan kaya yung iba? Makikita nyo yung ano. Ano ko ba? Pwede pala. Isang smell naman. Ito na. Nagkating. Asan daw yung iba? Hindi ko nga alam na nangyari. Lagi kami yung late. Ngayon, walang pumasok. Ilan ba dapat? More than 20. Kaso ano? Sobrang lati. Kaya chula. 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 Tapos di kami mag-iingay. Hindi pala, hindi pwede. Maririnig niya yung wala na lang. Chunizer.
Danat, sinala ka rin.
At yun na lang. Ako tayong late niyan. Diyos ko, ito okay.
Alam, dito alata.
Okay lang. Sabihin mo, huwag mo na sila mag-attendance. Ang classmate mo. Oo. Sabi ko mag-aaral din siya. Dito mag-aaral pag di ako kasama. Kami lang maingay dun. Charo. Hindi kami maingay. Kahit busa mo lang kami. Hi, Ate P. Magkopyahan kayo. Siya nga nangopya eh. Minsan sa kanya pinapagawa yung mga ano niya. Tapos siya yung siya yung nabubunot na siya yung gumawa. Galing. Ayoko nga. Kasi tingin naman. Baka maano yung ano ko. May sulit niya pa yung metong sing-sing. Puwata malaglag yan. So ito mo yung sing-sing. Kulang kaya puwata. Puwata malaglag yan yung gama. Are you from? Yes. Ay, Indian. Ang demure natin today. Yan ka na naman, di ka na namamansin. Hello, namamansin ko yung business po tayo. Go. Anong gusto mong business? Dito na tayo ba? Pupunta sa school. Pasok ako. I'm from Seattle. Hi Diego, Crystal, Sama. Kasama ko kayo tapos i-end ko na pag nandun na ako. Salita pang pamangan, May. Halita na na. Mag-break tayo ng 11.
Yan na?
Mag-break ka ng 11, di ba? Halita na. Where are you from? From there. Hi, Red. Thank you, Xavier. Pwede makita si teacher, hindi.
Kita na?
Nag-stop na ba siya? Hindi pa.
Tama na. Ay, mga red kaya pala.
Ay,
Mali.
anong oras na, May?
Tikang kaya yan. Sabi mo itang kaya ko. Kami ngunti.
Nan,
Ang sukli ako.
meron.
Diyan na.
Bala may sukli ako na itsura.
Ang bunga. Ano nangyari na na? Gano'n sa kaya?
Hi, Jane. Pretty, thank you po. Natatawa ako. Yung suklay ko kasi nahulog. Ilan na lang. Para daw walang ngipin.
Ay, darat. Oh,
Ikaw na nanghihiram ng suklay, nagre-reklamo ito. Artista ka ba? Hindi. Feeling artista. Makasama mo, kapatid ko.
bakit?
May kapampangan kasi natatawa daw siya sa atin. Sabi niya tumatawa.
Tawa ka lang dyan.
Hindi pwede. Sister reveal. May sister reveal daw. Ayaw niya. Mamaya. Mag-ingat kayo. Mamayang busy kami. Saan siya nag-stop? Malayo lalakarin natin ito. Excuse me. Thank you. Wait lang. Nicole, magpahinga ka. Wala, saan ito? Pupunta pa kami sa taas. May katigang kayo. Ko ay nakikita. Magpupunta tayo sa taas nito. Daming tao. Paano ba to? Pwede bang i-flip tong camera? Paano i-flip yung camera? Paano i-flip yung camera? Paano nga? Hindi ko alam. Paano ba i-flip to? Patayin mo muna. Ang alin? Sino?
Ito tayo, MLS saglit.
3 period. Bibili ng pagkain?
Dito ang wala. Ang dali lang ang wala.
Outfit check. Charot.
Ikutin na mo, ita na magkain kaya tayo.
Lumipat ka pa.
Halika rin.
Oh. Bakit? Paano yung flip-flip, be? Paano yung sa flip para makita niyo yung ano? Saan ang pupunta? Late na box. Yung pantalon ko ito. Di na na-flip. Hindi ko nga alam paano. How? How? Di Carabao. Lamig, no? Hindi ka nag-jacket. Wait lang, yung ticket ko. Mag-i-scan lang ako. Paano i-flip to? Paano ko kayo papakita? Ha? Sila. Hindi nila ako makikita. Wait lang yung medyas ko, May. Hindi ako nag-belt. Bumababa yung pantalon ko. Tao. Ang ginagawa ng mga umat. Gusto mo magpakita? Gusto ko daw makita, May. Ha? Gusto mo magpakita? Tatanungin ko muna. Gusto mo magpakita? Uy! Kaya na pa. Ba't magkain-kain? Sure ka?
Mature kasi yan eh. Hindi ako mature yan eh.
Alik ko! Magpakita. Kasi dapat ganyan ka pa. Magtakot ka pa. Bilis.
Ay, kaya mo angle yan.
Ha? Saan yung angle mo? Wait lang. Dito ka sa to. Balik tayo. Yung angle. Magay ka. Okay na yon. Masyado ng ano. Okay na yon. Wala, may tumatakbo. Di, takbo. Paano ko papakita dito? Gusto ko pakita sa inyo. Paano i-flip yung light? Hindi ka magpakita.
Eh, kaya kita yung phone mo.
I-flip mo.
Ito.
Yung flip mo yung light.
Wait lang.
Paano nila makikita? Alam mo? Mo naman ano?
Ah.
Hello. Live. Patayin mo yung cam, open mo ulit, tapos taas flip mo. Patayin mo yung cam. Ayaw box, mamaya na lang. Late na kami. Late na kami! Hindi ko kayo nakikita. Ugasan mo nga yung ano, yung camera. Hindi ko kayo nakikita, Otoke. May homeless doon. Yung cam mismo. Ayun. Tayo. Ayun, eh. Nakalagay end live. Sabi end live. Camera? Hindi. Settings? Pwede na yan. Alam mo, nagja-jogging.
Kaya nag-jogging lang po ng cabin lang.
Bulong mo eh. May ano, may kalal na dumaan, nagja-jogging. Lamig-lamig, nagja-jogging. Naka-ano pa, nakasando. Okay. Si Angel nandito. Hi, Angel. Hi, be. Ano bibili mo sa ano? M&S? Ang hangin dito ba? Hi, Miss Hera. Galang mo naman. Late na tayo, may bili ka pa pagkain. Go! Hindi ako bibili ah. Maya na lang punta. Yung kapatid ko hindi nag-jacket. Sabi ko, yan naman yung susuot mo. Ang lamig-lamig, chinek ko yung weather. Sino ka? Oh, it's closed.
Shit.
Magka-finero ka na lang. Ano to? Ayan. Ito na to. Off-cam mo lang din. May... Ano yung kape? Gusto ko yung ano, honey oat latte. Paano off-cam mo lang?
Pistachio chocolate mousse.
Ano yung off-cam? Bili mo isa. Itong oat. Honey oat latte, nice.
Oh.
Yung akin, honey oat latte. Ice cream. Bayad, send ko na lang sa'yo. Off-cam mo dyan, box. Click 3 dots to the left. Yung 3 dots nasa right eh. Tapos nakalagay po. Honey oat latte. Ice honey oat latte, please. Yeah.
Yes, please.
And is there any cream in your ice?
Sure. Yeah, please.
And would you like the bag? Are you okay?
Yes, please.
Yung 3 dots na nakalagay dito. Ano lang, post live settings, comment about me.
Ice cream together or separately?
Ano yun? Ay man na to box, oo nga.
Do you have caffeine in your bag?
I have. Yeah. Yeah. Makikita no ni sir. Sabi, ba't kayo na late? Nagkape pa kayo. Gusto ko pagalitan pa tayo. Nagbasag pa si ate. Nagbasag pa si ate. Nagbasag siya dun. Lang nagmamadali. Ayun, ganyan na lang. Ayan.
Hindi na makakita.
Hindi ko naka-flip dun. Hindi ko makita yung sa camera yung i-flip. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan yung view. Ba? Diba? Walang nag-flip camera, hindi naka-show doon sa sa may 3 dots. Hindi siya naka-show. Sabi lang post live settings, tsaka yung ibang pakita ko man, mag-i-screenshot pa ako, walang wala yung nakalagay flip the camera yung akin. Ay. Wala ka sa bag, uy. Hindi man kasi doon. Wait lang, tatakbo ako. Ay, tara, late tayo.
Ay, dito.
Okay lang yan, nakita naman na ano. Tito! Late na!
Wala man, on the way pa sila. Ang daming late.
Dito pa sa... Akala ko doon pa sa kabila.
Hindi, dito na yung ano, sa new building daw.
Yung building pala tayo.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning. Badges, please.
Yeah. I just cover it with my... Because it's windy outside. Yeah.
You guys have sweat. You have your badge?
Are you student? Napagalitan ng ID. Ha? Tingnan natin. May ID ba siya?
Dito? Wait kita? Third floor. 301.
Nagpakita ng ID kailangan daw. Para mukhang estudyante. Bawal yung walang ID kasi daw baka trespass. Pagalitan tayo kay sir nito. Lahat na nga ng, tignan mo naman, box. Pero malamig. Oo. May signal ba dito? Mag-end live ako ha. Si Sir nandito.
So,
Good morning!
a lot of businesses get, I would say, stuck in their ways.
Parang tatabi ako sa'yo.
They become closed off to new ways of doing it. And this in turn affects your keeps productivity low. I think it's an issue at the workplace. You may have been working in a place yourself and thought, I have an idea to make our lives so much easier and so much better. And
Did he do?
this is productivity at DSL. You might start introducing copying in and out system. It works in many companies. Yeah, time is money. That's one reason. That's one thing she might introduce. Currently, lunch breaks are very. There's a general understanding that your lunch break will be between.
This one audio.
Sorry.
Is this one audio?
No, no. Yeah, I mean, there's a general understanding that, you know, sorry?
Sunday.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the cameras besides, what's said in the classroom is never, as long as no one's like racist or sexist, and there's no incidents, we're all good. But,
It's on, yeah?
yeah.
Night.
It needs to be on with some of the rougher CCCU students.
How did it go last week? The big meeting.
A big meeting.
Yes.
Oh! Yeah, they got a bit of quality, as you can imagine. It was made clear to them.
Did they enjoy it?
Actually, it wasn't me as such. It was
Diyan lang kayo, ha?
management. So I was just in there kind of.
Witness.
Yeah, and there's that
Attachment na to.
a meeting kind of thing. But yeah, I am moving to a place where it is pretty much going to be me just teaching on NCV and the partnerships. I'm quite happy about that. I don't. A bit of housekeeping. I'll come back to this in a moment. NCG are now rolling out a pilot scheme where your lecturer will also be your personal academic tutor. Have you been told about that?
They send emails, one-to-one sessions. Is that what
Yeah. So at some point in the semester, and ideally you're supposed to have 3 meetings about I think this realistically will be 2 once it fully gets rolled out.
May tumatawag, may nag-ano dito sa...
So you must have
Ano dito? Okay na.
meetings with your tutor to discuss your academic progress. I won't be your guys' personal tutor because I've been assigned the year just below you. No, it's just it was essentially a lottery, but I think your guys' tutor is Adiola.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's that? Yeah, this one. Teacher.
Held online or in person, depending on the day you're in and when your But as he's returned, Ronnie gets first dibs on the answer today. Ronnie, what does it mean to be a critical thinker?
I always negative.
No. No.
Critical thinking is you have to dig up 80 things that help you to think more about the situation.
Okay, so thinking deeply about something.
Hirap naman ito.
Question,
Mag-ask ng question.
analyze, interpret. Can you see patterns in something? Can you see, for example, or can you offer alternative interpretations? So, I could, in fact, when I send you all on break, I'm going to get the graph up, just some random data. I'll just look for it, I know, births, marriages and deaths, etc., maybe, whatever. And we're going to critique it together, I think. But what is going to be key is, because anyone can read graphs, I could say to you in your papers, make sure you include a graph of facts and figures, you know, and explain. Anyone can say in an essay, the graph above shows that there was a 20% increase in GDP between 2020 and 2024. Being a critical thinker, it's not necessarily about it being negative, although it can be, but would be being able to explain why that increase occurred. But even if an increase has occurred, is it really all it seems, for example? So, on paper, let's stick with the subject of GDP. On paper, Ireland, the Republic of Ireland, allegedly has a greater
Business.
GDP than the UK. And on paper, that's fine. The nominal GDP, the amount of economic activity, would say that, you know, Ireland is more prosperous. But in practice, that's not the case. So, you can have nominal GDP, which say, we have GDP proper, which is nominal,
Mga nanonood.
and then we
Oo,
have
may breakdown.
GDP
Mga eleven.
per capita per head. So, on paper, Brazil would be richer than the UK. And just to do a little bit of critical thinking, offering an alternative interpretation. As Anna Maria very kindly pointed out, question, analyse and interpret. I suppose it's I can give a reasoned opinion as to my differing interpretation. This is what I want you to be able to do, and I think most of you can do it. But it's certainly what businesses want. Can you be an employee who can think of new ways of doing things? Employers purposefully look for examples of them when interviewing candidates for a job. They typically involve skills like communication, critical thinking, and problem solving, as all three can help to boost individual and group employee performance. And allegedly, enterprising skills enable employees to get the job done. I suppose the fact of the matter is, however,
Oh, you sit there at the back, yeah? How are you?
Pwede na.
Thank you.
where have you been?
Wait lang. Can I charge my phone? At nandito pa kayo. Okay. Hello po sa mga nanonood.
Maybe you take it first time, maybe.
Hindi, break ng 10 minutes. Sabi niya sa akin kanina.
You must look careful.
Sige, alis na kami. Ano naman?
You must
I see always not guilty.
Late yung voice. Bakit? Kiss mo na.
speed limit, yeah.
So if it's 40, you have to drive like 37.
Yeah, yeah, 35. No,
Late nga. Late yung voice. Late yung voice. Mag-change. Paano?
да? Ама ну, трасил.
Delay yung voice.
Sir is not here. I can get a bit.
Relive.
Не рани менеж.
Relive.
Ну что на 4?
Relive.
Ну, блин, ты все порисуешь.
Ayoko na.
Okay
Okay na yan.
Рисуешь на foot
Okay, wait.
project.
Nagla-live
take it
tayo.
to grade 20. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing?